Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving this past paper. So I have this math paper one, pure math one, and it is so you can see it is uh, May June 2025. So we have done couple of questions here. So let me go to question number yes 5. I've done 4 questions in previous videos. So right now I will do question number 5. Okay, solve this equation. Okay, what is this equation? It is 4 sine theta into tangent theta equals 1 plus 5 into cos theta. Okay, so when you look at the equation, you have no clue what to do, right? But just let's start making it a little bit simplified. So 4 sine theta and tangent theta, I will write it as sine theta over cos theta equals 1 plus 5 cos theta. Okay, now this is sine square theta. Can I replace sine square? It's 1 minus cos square theta, and the cos theta, the denominator I taken on the right side. It becomes cos theta into 1 plus 5 cos theta. You see what I've done? I've converted everything in terms of cos theta only. Okay, so I hope that eventually I will get a quadratic equation in terms of cos theta. So let's see. So this is 1 minus 4 cos square theta equals cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. So if I bring everything to the right, 4 plus 5 is going to be 9 cos square theta. And then I have cos theta already there, this one. And this 4 will go to become minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so this is the equation in it's the quadratic equation in cos theta. So I will make this substitution that cos theta I am replacing as x. So it's from 9x squared plus x minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so let's apply quadratic formula to solve it. So x equals minus b plus minus under the root b squared minus 4 into a into c is minus 4 that represents plus and then 4. Okay, and divided by 2a is 18. Okay, so this can be solved using calculator only. So I came up with two answers 0.6134 and the other answer is minus 0.7245. Okay, so uh, it means cos theta, which is x, is equal to 0.6134. So theta is going to be cos inverse 0.6134. So the answer by calculator comes out to be 52 degree, 52.16 degrees. Okay, but remember we are given that theta is between minus 180 and plus 180. So if you remember the cosine, if this is theta and this is cos theta, the graph goes something like this. It starts from 1, go to 0, and go to minus 1. This happened at 180 degrees, right? And this is at 90 degrees. Okay, in the same way, it is even function that goes like this. So it is minus 180 and this is minus 90. Okay, and oh, sorry, this is not equal. So this point is minus 1 and this one is plus 1. Okay, now you can see if the theta is 52, cos theta is 0.6, 0.6 somewhere here. So it means giving me this answer is from the calculator, it is 52 degree. But you can see that at the same time, this angle, which is negative 52, is also part of the thing. So I have two answers, plus 52 and minus 52. Okay. In the same way, if I take this other value, that cos theta is equal to negative 0.7245, then theta is equal to cos inverse minus 0.7245. So it gives me again two answers, one answer, by the calculator, the one answer is 136.43. But again, you can see that it is corresponding to this point as well as this point. So there are two answers. So I will have two answers plus and minus 136.43 degree. Okay. So I hope you understand all the steps in this question and all the reason for every step. Okay. Now question number 6. Uh, an arithmetic progression has first term this. Okay. So arithmetic progression is first term and first term plus the common difference, which is 2 over here. And the next one will be a plus 4. Next one will be a plus 6, and so on. Right? So you know that nth term is uh, first term plus n minus 1 into the common difference. Okay, so we are given that the nth term is 55. So here a and capital N. This is equal to first term, which is a plus n is capital N minus 1 into common difference of 2, and this is equal to 55. Okay, so a plus 2n minus 2 equals 55. So here you can see that a plus 2n equals 52 plus 55 plus 2 is 57. Okay, so this is one relationship I got between a and capital N. Now the second thing, okay, remember that the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into, right? Okay, so if I apply this equation, we are given the first three n terms sum of this one. So, uh, sum of three n terms is equal to n is 3n over 2 and 2a plus 3n minus 1, and common difference is 2, and this whole thing is equal to 5,760. Okay, so from here you can see, if I take this 2 on the other side, it is going to be 3n, and inside I have 2a plus 6n minus 2, and this is equal to 2 times this whole thing, it will become 0. Okay, 11,520. Okay, if I take common outside and here I plus 3 minus, okay, equal to 20. Let me take 6 on the side and I will have n, and inside I have 2 plus 3n minus 1 equal. When I divide this thing by 6, it will become 6 and 6 and 5 and 6 and 6. Okay, 1,920. Okay, now what to do? I'm kind of stuck, right? I have two equations, one is this one and one is this one, and I have two unknowns, n and a, but I don't know how to solve it. So let me use a little trick here. See, if this 3n, I split it in 2n plus n minus 1. Nothing wrong, right? Okay. Now for a plus 2n, I replace it with 2. It will become n, and 57 plus n minus 1 equal 1920. Okay, 57 minus 1 is 53, n into n plus 56. Okay, equal 19 and 20. So n squared plus 56n, and that will bring it on the left. Let's say minus 1920 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is again a quadratic equation. This type of formula. So plus minus under the b square minus 4a into c. Now c is negative and now plus and 1920 and divided by 2a. Okay. And when I solve this thing, when I simplify the thing using calculator, I got two answers. One is 4 and one is minus 8. Now, of course, this n has to be positive, right? I cannot take this one here, but then it's 24. Now, what about small a? So remember that we know that plus 2n was 57. So from here, a is equal to 57 minus 2 into n. Now, n is 24. So it is 57 minus 48, which is 9. So I have a equals 9 and n equals 24. These are my solution. Okay, I hope every step of these two questions are clear to you, and you understand all the logic and every reason behind them. So if you see this type of question in your exam, you should not be confused or you should not be worried. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you find these videos helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.